Here in the Netherlands, it's autumn. The leaves are slowly turning and beautiful colors are appearing. One of my favorite things to do in autumn is go outside, take a photo camera and shoot a lot of pictures. And there's one subject in particular that I love taking pictures of, and those are mushrooms. There are a lot of variations, all kinds of mushrooms growing here in the autumn. But my channel isn't about taking photographs, it's about art. My name is Benjamin Elkema and I'm an illustrator, artist and art teacher from the Netherlands. And in the coming weeks, I want to show you how to draw mushrooms. We're going to draw the mushrooms with pencil and with ink. Fountain pens, regular pens, fine liners, anything that has ink can be used to create some beautiful mushrooms. I'm going to take you through the process of drawing a mushroom. From beginning to the end, from drawing the mushroom itself, adding light and shadow, applying shading, adding some supporting elements and just creating beautiful drawings from various mushrooms. This series has 3 modules in it, and each week I will be releasing a new module showing you something different, something new and taking our drawings a step further. I'm going to take you through this process step by step, so even if you never drawn before, never picked up a pencil, never drawn anything in your life, you can come along and discover how to draw. But also if you know how to draw already and want to brush up your skills a little bit, I invite you to come along. Perhaps you've got some great pencil drawing skills already, but would like to discover how to use a pen and do some inking, this is a great opportunity. The first module will start next week, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when we will start drawing autumn together.